Hello there, how are you doing? My name is Syed Shahzan and this is the first video of the Millionaire ETeaching series. This series has 8 videos and also a few PDF and Excel sheets along with them. So without further ado, let's get started with the first video where I will share a little bit info about the Indian internet economy and the e-teaching community. I have studied 2 different reports on the Indian internet economy from a management consultancy firm called the IBEF, Indian Brand Equity Foundation. This is an image that I found on their website, which shows the Indian e-commerce market was of $38.5 billion in 2017. It's $64 billion in 2020, and in 2027, it's speculated to grow up to a size of $200 billion. Another report that I've studied is of the McKinsey Global Institute. This image shows the growth graph from 2014 to 2018 on various subjects like the number of smartphone users, the number of internet users, the number of cashless transactions, monthly data consumption. This image shows the growth graph between the laggards and the leaders of various sectors, like changing the core operations, centralization of digital team, using of the customer relationship management software. And this is the most interesting part of the report that I've studied. In 2025, according to McKinsey Global Institute, the Indian digital economy is speculated to grow to a whopping $435 billion. The current value, according to their study, is $170 billion, and the education sector of the Indian internet economy is speculated to grow to a whopping $50 billion. Does it sound inspiring? I am highly inspired. I need a pie of it. I need as much as $1 billion from it by 2025. Let's get going. Alright, so the next topic is about the e-teaching community. Before we start, let me tell you, to be successful, we need to have a mission to serve a community, and in return, we seek a lot of wealth and value from the community. Now, the platform we have chosen is e-teaching. This is a 4-step process. The first step is of creating an influence. There are 3 strong pillars of creating a strong influence for yourself. You need to be authentic in the value you're sharing, in the work that you're doing. This should have a basis of a strong logic. There has to be enough data analysis, enough data collection, your information to support your work. That has to be followed by strong empathy towards your customers, your viewers, your subscribers. I have noted 10 ways of creating the influence. The first one being a lead magnet. It is sharing a piece of an info like a book or a PDF or a worksheet in return to the contact information of your customer or your viewer or your subscriber. And you keep in communication with them via emails and redirect them to your website. So you got to have a strong website which is aesthetically beautiful and should be very informative. You also need to create and develop a lot of content and share that in various platforms. Blogging is another important aspect of your influence. You need to keep posting at least 3 to 4 times a week to stay connected to your viewers. There are many popular social media platforms where you get connected to a lot of your viewers and subscribers. You also have to have a strong video influence. You need to be able to communicate your content via videos, be comfortable with the camera, be able to articulate and connect with your viewers via video influence. 8 and 9 are important aspects in regards to building your influence in a social way. It's an offline way. You interact with your inner circle, you network, you build your PR, and you also host a lot of social interaction events, maybe once a week, once a fortnight, give seminars, talk shows, workshops, and build influence. The 10th and the most important part of your influence step is ads. This is a paid marketing strategy. Now, the second step of your e-teaching is building a community. Now, let's talk about the genesis of building a community. First, build a product that shall be your course or your consultancy. We'll talk about it next. So, by building a product, you build a community around your product or around your service that you're providing. There shall be 3 components of your community. You shall have a brand website of yours, and then a dedicated members area, and then a dedicated social network. Dedicated members area shall be for those who have paid for your courses or paid for your products or your services, and can also be those who are seeking value from you. Dedicated social network shall have its own benefits. Some of them are not having ads, you getting support instantly, the members of your community getting to connect with each other. And the course. This shall have 5 stages, one being the lead magnet, which shall be a 60 to 90-minute webinar or seminar, and then a tripwire. This shall be a conceptual course of 21 to 30 days, sales maximizer. This shall be either a one-on-one coaching or a group coaching or a project consultation. The 5th stage shall be of affiliate sales. You sell tools and products that go with your course, services related to your expertise. You can price it and value it based on your hierarchy. So summing up again, there are 4 stages of your e-teaching ecosystem. First one shall be to build your influence. The second stage shall be to build a community based out of your influence. The third stage shall be teaching them a course. The fourth stage shall be offering a consultancy service. Now in this video series, the Millionaire E-Teaching, we have made 8 videos. In the first video, I spoke about the Indian internet economy and the e-teaching community. In the second video, we'll talk about the details of the course and its 5 stages. The third video shall be a clarity document. This shall be a mission document where you'll get clarity about naming your course, who's your target audience, and what are your timelines. The fourth, fifth, and sixth videos shall be a detailed, chalked out plan about creating your conceptual course bonuses, and the implementation course and its bonuses. The 7th video shall be about a curriculum document. By filling this document, you will be able to achieve a lot of clarity about your course. The 8th and the final video shall be about the value and the pricing document. So that's the end of the first video. Hope I have given you enough information about the course, about the Indian internet economy, about the e-teaching community. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.